Hello, my dear students. How are you? All are feeling good? Very good. I am also feeling good to be with you again. Let's start our new chapter. Okay. Before starting a new chapter of grammar, let's discuss something about our previous chapter. The previous chapter was about a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It always begins with a capital letter and ends with a yes full stop or question mark. So our third chapter is also about capital letters, full stops and question marks. Let's know more about this chapter.
Capital letters and punctuations. Capital letters. All sentences begin with a capital letter. Just see in this picture, all the capital letters are written here. क्वेश्चन मार्क्स सेंटेंसेस दैट आर समथिंग आर क्वेश्चंस. जिन सेंटेंसेस में कुछ पूछा जाता है वे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. क्वेश्चंस ऑलवेज क्वेश्चन मार्क में एंड होते हैं. हेयर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. एग्जाम्पल इज वेयर इज मधुरा. एट द एंड ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस यू विल सी देयर इज क्वेश्चन मार्क. फुल स्टॉप्स. सेंटेंसेस दैट से समथिंग एंड विद अ फुल स्टॉप. जो भी सेंटेंसेस कुछ कहते हैं उनके एंड में फुल स्टॉप होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वंडर इफ मधुरा इज हेयर. Just see at the end of the sentence there is full stop. Exclamation mark. Words that express the speaker's feelings are followed by an exclamation mark. ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जिनमें किसी की फीलिंग्स बताई जाती किसी पर्सन की, चाहे वो सरप्राइज हो, हैप्पीनेस हो, सैडनेस हो, उनके एंड में एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क यूज़ होता है. कोमास. कोमास गिव अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक बिटवीन पार्ट्स ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. सेंटेंस के पार्ट्स के बीच में ब्रेक के लिए कोमास यूज़ किए जाते हैं. लाइक नेम्स एंड आइटम्स इन अ लिस्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मधुरा. नाउ ब्रेक है तो कोमा. मधुरा, नाउ वी मस्ट गो टू द मार्केट. वी नीड टू बाय राइस, एग्स एंड fruits. Just see the video for all these punctuation marks now.
Punctuation. There is a pool of punctuation marks. A sentence drowns without the use of correct punctuation. Do you want your sentences to drown? Ah! Or do you want your sentences to float freely? Yee! To make your sentences float, always use the correct punctuation marks. I will teach you what to use where. Use a full stop to end a simple sentence. The cat is big. The cat is big. The cat is big. Use a comma to list more than two things in a sentence. Ria, Pia, Sia and Jia are my friends. Ria, Pia, Sia and Jia are my friends. Ria, Pia, Sia and Jia are my friends. Use a question mark to end a sentence that asks a question. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Use an exclamation mark to end a sentence that expresses a strong feeling. What a cute kitten! What a cute kitten! What a cute kitten! So, now you know where to use what. A few sentences will flash on your screen. Clap once if they use the correct punctuation and twice if they don't.
Yes, look at these pictures. Read the sentences. Who is this girl? This man is asking, who is this girl? ये girl कौन है? This is Salima. यह सलीमा है. कौन है सलीमा? This is Salima. And this man is father and this boy is son of this man. Again the man is asking, is she in your school? क्या वो तुम्हारे स्कूल में है? The boy is replying, yes, she is in my school. The sentences spoken by father are something. Means these two sentences ask something. Such sentences are known as questions. जिन sentences में कुछ पूछा जाता है वो questions होते हैं. They always end in question marks. उन sentences के पीछे always क्या होता है? Question mark. The sentences spoken by the boy. जो sentences इस boy ने बोले हैं, this is Salima, yes she is in my school. इन दोनों sentences में क्या हो रहा है? The boy say something. boy कुछ बता रहा है. Such sentences end in full stops. Just see, इन दोनों के end में क्या है? Full stop है. तो इन जो sentences कुछ बताते हैं उनके पीछे क्या होता है? Full stop होता है. And all these sentences begin with a capital letter. सभी sentences किससे शुरू होते हैं? ऐसे कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होते हैं. जैसे कि अब क्वेश्चन है तो क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट लेटर इसका क्या होगा? डब्ल्यू क्या है? कैपिटल. एंड इन दिस सेंटेंस, इज शी इन योर स्कूल? आई, इट्स कैपिटल. एट द एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. एंड इन दिस सेंटेंस वी विल सी दिस, द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ दिस इज टी, इट्स कैपिटल. एंड इन यस, वाई, इट्स कैपिटल. सो ऑल द sentences always begin with a capital letter. Now let's do the bookwork of this, then we will do more practice. Exercise, read these sentences, underline the questions. अब हमें क्या करना है? इनमें से जो questions हैं सिर्फ उनको ही underline करना है, rest we won't do anything. The first one is, this is the nest of Mr. and Mrs. Crow. लास्ट में क्या है? full stop है, just see. तो ये क्या है? नॉर्मल सेंटेंस है. दिस इज द नेस्ट ऑफ मिस्टर एंड मिसेस क्रो. ये मिस्टर और मिसेस क्रो का नेस्ट है. सेकंड, वेयर इज द नेस्ट? नेस्ट कहाँ है? पीछे क्वेश्चन मार्क भी है, जस्ट सी. तो ये क्वेश्चन हुआ, हम इसे अंडरलाइन करेंगे. थर्ड इज, इट इज़ इन ए ट्री. ये ट्री पे है तो ये एक नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट है, हम इसे अंडरलाइन नहीं करेंगे. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ, आर देयर एनी एग्स इन द नेस्ट? क्वेश्चन मार्क is at the end of the sentence and even the first letter of the sentence is capital, so this is a question, so we will underline it. And rest you will find yourself which are questions. You will do it yourself, then match it with answer key. Okay, do it yourself. Next, B exercise. Write these sentences using capital letters, full stops and question marks wherever necessary. जहाँ भी ज़रूरी हो वहाँ पर capital letters यूज़ कीजिए, full stop and question mark. The first sentence, why are you late to the class? Firstly हम क्या करेंगे? जो first letter है उसे capital करेंगे. Why are you late to the class? This is question, so we will put your question. Now second sentence, just see the first letter of this sentence, it's small, we will make it capital. She is in the garden near the tall tree. This is a statement, we will put here full stop. Third is, just check the first letter, it's small, we will make it capital. She is wearing a long golden chain. This is also a statement, we will put here full stop. Fourth one is, first letter, we will make it capital. It will be what? Do you think Santa does? At the end we will put question mark because something is being asked in the question, in this sentence. What do you think Santa does? Santa क्या करता है? तो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, we will put here question mark. Fifth one is, first letter is small, we will make it capital. Rahman likes to play tabla. So it's a statement, we will mark here
full stop. Now next, number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will do it yourself, okay? Then match it with answer key. In this way, you will do more practice. See exercise. Put a question mark or a full stop wherever necessary. Just read the sentences carefully. अगर statement है तो full stop. अगर question पूछा जा रहा है, कुछ भी पूछा जा रहा है उसमें, then mark question. First one is I like ice cream, and it's a set statement, so we will put a full stop. My favorite subject is English. Very good, isn't it? सबका है क्या? My favorite subject is English. मेरा favorite subject English है. It's a statement. Then we will put a full stop. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Question पूछा जा रहा है. आपका बर्थडे कब है? We will put your question mark. Where is your house? आपका घर कहाँ है? Question. It's question mark. We eat an apple every day. It's statement. We will put a full stop. Yes, my dear students, now just do the practice of this book exercises which I have just left for you. Firstly, you will do it yourself, then match the answers with provided PDF. It means the answers which I have provided to you through PDF. You will match the answers with that. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.